Hello! Good day, everyone. My name is Teacher Margie, your English teacher, and welcome to our online class. How are you today? Our lesson for today is about farm animals. Once again, our lesson for today is about farm animals, singular and plural form. All right. Are you ready? All right, let's do this. Okay, please look at the picture. Okay, singular means only one. For example, one duck. Plural means more than one. For example, 4 ducks. Plural means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. Okay, and now we are going to study the vocabularies. Please repeat after me. Horse, horse, horse. Horses, horses, horses. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Chickens, chickens, chickens. Goat, goat, goat. Goats, goats, goats. Pig, pig, pig. Pigs, pigs, pigs. Cow, cow, cow. Cows, cows, cows. Duck, duck, duck. Ducks, ducks, ducks. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Turkeys, turkeys, turkeys. Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo. Buffaloes, buffaloes, buffaloes. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Rabbits, rabbits, rabbits. And this is how you're going to do to make it to become a plural form. Okay, add s to become plural form. Again, add s to become plural form. So, what is the plural form? What is the plural form of chicken? What is the plural form of chicken? All right, very good. The plural form of chicken is chickens. How about cow? What is the plural form of cow? All right, awesome. So the plural form of cow is cows. How about the plural form of turkey? All right, good job. So the plural form of turkey is turkeys. Okay, what is the plural form of goat? All right, wonderful. So the plural form of goat is goats. And how about the plural form of sheep? All right. Excellent. So the plural form of sheep is sheep. So the word doesn't change. So for the word sheep, the singular is sheep and the plural form is still sheep. All right, good job. And I want to know if you can spell the word chicken. How do you spell the word chicken? All right. Good job. So it is C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. How about, can you spell the word horses? All right. Wonderful. So it is H-O-R-S-E-S, horses. Okay, can you spell buffaloes? All right. Very good. So it is B-U-F-F-A-L-O-S, buffaloes. Now, tell me, in this picture, how many ducks do you see? How many ducks do you see? All right, wonderful. So, in the picture, there are 4 ducks. All right, now tell me, how many buffaloes do you see? Very good. So in the picture, there are 6 buffaloes. Okay, let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 buffaloes. All right. And tell me, how many rabbits do you see? Wow, wonderful. So in the picture, there are 4 rabbits. All right, let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rabbits. And that ends our lesson for today about farm animals, singular and plural. And I hope you did enjoy our lesson. And I hope to see you again on the continuation of our lesson next week. And stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.